Hi, Alison Marsden here from Gardening by Design, with some of my favourite but possibly less well-known plants for the garden in May. One of my favourites is the peony called Molly the Witch. It starts out as the foliage comes up with this beautiful reddish tint to it. As it opens up in lemon flowers, pale lemon, that just get touched with raindrops, opens out into this beautiful clear flower. Unfortunately, it doesn't last very long, but later on in the year you get, if you don't deadhead, you get these amazingly bright pink seeds as the seed pods open. Many of you will know that I love purple-leaved plants, and this Pittosporum Tom Thumb is one of my all-time favourites. You can just see the red Persicaria on the left I've sneaked in as well. But it is the new leaves of the Pittosporum at this time of year where they come out a really bright green and then fade to black over the course of the summer. And finally we have the spring flowering tamarisk. You can see that it makes quite a small tree. This is in warmer climes, this isn't in my garden, where it's a bit more of a bush, a little bit lax and straggly, but the flowers make it absolutely worth it. Late April you see these dark red buds before the leaves appear, and then as we get into early May the pale pink flowers open like foam all along the branches, and then the leaves come later. It's a really good, slightly straggly plant. There's more information on my Gardening by Design website about how gardening supports well-being and how I can help you.